All right, so welcome. And what we want to do today is a short stress buster routine. Okay, lives are stressful, and you go through your daily uh, work, you go through things, you have a difficult conversation, your mind is racing, and different things are coming up. What does it do? It sticks in your body. Your body takes it on. That might be a clenched jaw, you feel it. It could be a stiff neck, stiff shoulders. It could be a tightness in the chest. That's one that I often get. And so it's your body taking on that outside stress and absorbing it. And what we need to do is release it from the body to get that out, to discharge it. Okay, so I'm gonna do a practice today, and the first thing I want you to do is just kind of do an assessment from a 0, no stress, to 10, extreme stress. Okay, so somewhere along that way, just give yourself a number. This past couple days, and now where you're at right now, what do you feel in the body? Are you at a 5? Are you at a 7? Are you at a totally calm 2, or way up there 9? Okay, just kind of give yourself a number that we want to identify that as we begin the practice, and then we're going to move into the first step. This first body movement practice is called absorbing. All right, so we want to connect with that stress we're feeling, and so to do that, we're going to tense our entire body and hold that, and then discharge it. Okay, so this is an absorbing and a connecting with that. So I want you to feel that and tighten all your muscles up. Take a deep breath in, hold, squeeze everything: toes, legs, glutes, fists, arms. Hold that jaw, and then release. Breathe in through your mouth. Through your nose. Out through your nose. Okay, let's do that again. Ready? Hold everything tight. That jaw, shoulders, arms, fists, legs, buttock. Release. In through the nose. Out through the nose. Take a little assessment. Whatever number you were at before, do you feel a little different? Do you feel like it's went down a little bit as you've discharged that? Okay. Let's do it one more time. And we're going to focus on holding and then discharging, absorbing that, and then releasing that. Okay, here we go. In through the nose. I get a feeling, again, a bearing on what that stress level is, if it's adjusted. Hopefully you felt that go down just a notch or two. Maybe you feel some tingling in your hands. I'm going to move on to the next routine. We want to move on to our next exercise, which is a body shaking to just discharge that stuck energy, that stuck emotion that is held in our body with the stress. And you see Olympians, athletes doing this a lot. Before a race at the starting line, a 100-meter dash, you'll see athletes, they'll be moving around. They might even tap themselves. They're kind of doing that. It's a shakeout. You see that doing, and legitimately, it is shaking out what is stuck in the body. All right. So we're going to begin shaking. I'm going to go up on my heels and kind of drop down, a shake motion. And then with my breath, I'm going to breathe in deeply, and I'm going to exhale with kind of a guttural sigh. I'm going to just kind of make that, I'm just discharging as I do this, okay? Let's shake. Keep doing that. Just discharging, feeling it go out of your shoulders, they're dropping, shaking it out of your hands, feeling it go out of your heels as you go down. Just a discharge. Let it go. Stop. Just assess how you feel right now. We started with a number at that stress level. Do you feel any shift in that? Do you feel any decrease as you discharge? And you might feel some tingling, some energy moving. You got in your body moving. We're moving that stuck emotion, cortisol, adrenaline out of our bodies. We're releasing it. So just assess how you feel now before we move on to the next exercise. And if you need to, you can keep doing that a little bit longer. Any of these, if what I've done isn't enough yet to kind of make that shift and go down a few notches, you can do this a little longer, okay? For this exercise, it's going to be gentle and it's called washing. So we just want to take some time and slow ourselves down and wash. So we're going to inhale as our hands start going. And now exhale slowly and wash. Just feel the stress washing out like a wave coming over us, just going down. Just feel that each level, it's moving down, moving down, moving down, pushing out. Okay, let's wash it again. Exhale. Feel that as your hands come down. Exhale and push. Just washing out, it's flowing out, it's releasing. The body is relaxing. Adrenaline, the cortisol is expelled. Again. Wash slowly, it's just coming down. Fresh start, a new moment, more peace, more quietness, more settledness in our mind, calmer internal state. Our muscles have relaxed more. There you go. Now assess what your level is. What we've done is go through a routine to just identify where we were at, to get in touch with our body, and then to find a way for our body to release that stuck and that tension that is built up, to get the circulation flowing, the energy flowing, to just help our bodies discharge, come to a greater level of peace. So hopefully now, as you stand here and you've identified where you're at, where you are, there's been a shift, and you can continue to move forward. You can continue to do that routine over, those practices over again. If you need to, you can do those at any time that you're beginning to feel some tightness in your body. That's going to be one of the clues. And many times we just push through that. We just ignore that. And the key is becoming aware and slowing down to understand what's happening in our body. Just slowing down in general is going to be helpful, but particularly slowing down to identify, what's my body feeling? What's my body telling me? Your body is telling you what happened within there, what it took on, what it's holding, and the hormones that were released, and then your process is to let go of those. So hopefully that was helpful for you, and a good practice that you can use again and again and again.